The 5-week professional truck driving program at Perry Tech prepares students to pass the Washington State Commercial Driver's License Knowledge and Skills Test while providing graduates with an opportunity to support some of our country's most critical infrastructure. Beginning with an introduction to trucking and the transportation industry, students will be trained on powertrains, primary vehicle controls, air brakes, steering, suspension, axles, vehicle instruments, warning devices, trailer coupling methods, and trailer usage. Whether your cargo is medical supplies, food and water, or construction materials, the essential skills you perform can not only take you to new and exciting places, but also help transport vital supplies and keep our economy moving. From local to regional and statewide routes, you'll have the opportunity to create a future you desire. Perry Tech works with leading industry professionals in order to develop our program curriculum to ensure that you receive the skills that industry demands. We treat every day as if it were the world of work. Each student clocks in and out daily and must adhere to a strict no drug or alcohol policy. In addition, the skills and knowledge you'll develop over the course of the 5-week program can help prepare you for a number of industry certifications in order to make you a more attractive job candidate. Prior to graduation, our career services staff will work with you to develop materials such as resumes and cover letters, and will assist with mock interviews. Take a more in-depth look at the 5-week professional truck driving program by visiting perrytech.edu/tour to schedule a program tour today.